Welcome to the QueKey authentication demo. First, we will demonstrate the seamless login flow using a known device. When the user initiates authentication, the QueKey Web SDK securely triggers the camera for biometric verification. In the video, we see Imanul, co-founder and CTO of QueKey, demonstrating the process. The user simply holds the button to verify their identity. In the background, the entire verification process passes through QueKey's proprietary 6-stack verification liveness gates. Once the identity is successfully verified through the liveness gates, the system recognizes the user. Because this is a recognized, known device, they are greeted by name and can immediately click Allow Access to finalize the secure handshake. Access is granted instantly. The application successfully validates the authorization code and fetches the access token, completing the known device authentication flow. Now, let's simulate an unknown or new device login flow by switching to a completely fresh Incognito window. The initial step remains identical. Imanul verifies his physical identity using QueKey's face biometrics, passing through the same 6-stack verification layer. However, because the system detects an unverified device signature, it invokes an additional layer of security. Instead of granting instant access, it generates an out-of-band magic link sent to the user's registered email. The user checks their email on their primary trusted device. They are presented with granular options to trust the new device long-term, deny it, or in this case, approve once for this specific session. Once the user approves the request from their trusted channel, the transaction is validated. Returning to the unknown device, the pending handshake resolves instantly. Authentication is successful, providing secure multi-factor verified access without passwords.